Today I'm going to show you how to play fact face-off with subtraction. In this game you're going to use a regular set of cards, but you're going to remove all those face cards, all the jacks, the queens, and the kings. You're going to leave the ace, that's going to represent a 1 because it has one object, all the way up to 10. The setup for this game is easy. You simply take a deck of cards and lay it face down on your table so that all the players can reach it. Then we each take 3 cards and we keep them hidden from our opponent. Here's what I drew. I'm not going to show myself what my opponent drew, but there are their 3 cards that they're going to keep hidden. Then we're each going to take one of our cards from our hand and we're going to place it face down in front of our place on the table. So that's mine. I'm just going to take one randomly for my opponent here. Now we're each going to take our 2 remaining cards and choose one of them to give to our opponent. And we're going to give it to them face up. Now we're going to form an equation by turning over our card that we originally laid down. And we're going to actually subtract this time. So we're subtracting the smaller number from the larger number. So if they need to, the players may need to rearrange their cards. So I would say 10 take away 4 is 6. They might say 8 take away 3 is 5. The person with the greatest difference, and I had 6 and they had 5, takes all the cards. Then we continue by starting each round by replenishing the cards in our hand. We should always start the round with 3 cards in our hand. So here's my opponent's cards. We're both going to lay down a card face down. We're both going to give our opponent a card, turn over our cards, form an equation. I have 9 minus 5 is 4. They have 10 minus 1 is 9. So they would take all the cards. If we happen to form an equation with the same answer, we could do one of 2 things. We could each just keep our cards and call it a draw. Or we could put another equation on top, like another round, and then whoever wins that takes all the cards on the table. That's how you play equation face-off. At the end, whoever has the most cards in their discard pile is our winner.